Welcome to this tutorial on the e-invoicing module in Odoo, an additional feature for the invoicing module that helps streamline tax management for Malaysian businesses. This feature enhances tax management by enabling smoother interaction between your business and the government tax authority through the My Invoice portal. The e-invoicing system ensures that all your transactions are in compliance with My Invoice portal's requirements, providing accurate tax documentation for the government while reducing manual tax management efforts. Before using the e-invoicing feature, you need to configure it by entering your client ID and access token, which you'll receive after registering with the My Invoice portal. Go to Settings and enter the client ID and access token. Once done, you'll be prompted to fill in your business details. After saving, you'll see a success tag indicating that the connection to the My Invoice portal is successful. Next, you'll need to insert your digital certificate and its PIN for secure transactions. If you don't have a digital certificate, you can apply for one from a government-verified authority. Additionally, you'll have the option to choose whether to auto-submit invoices to the My Invoice portal or do it manually, depending on your preference. Before you start creating invoices, make sure your contacts are correctly registered with the My Invoice portal. Here's what you'll need. For both type of contacts, need to enter their IC number or business registration number, tax identification number, and phone number. For vendors, in addition to the details above, you'll need to select their MSSE code, which identifies their business category. All of this information is required for My Invoice portal verification. If a contact fails verification, double-check the data entered to ensure it's correct. Next, let's configure your products. Set the UOM based on the LHDN template. Select the appropriate LHDN category that aligns with your product category. If your product or business involves taxes, select the correct LHDN tax type. Our module already has a predefined list from the My Invoice portal, so you just need to choose the correct values to stay compliant. Now, let's walk through how to create an e-invoice. Select the customer and product, ensuring all details are correct. Once confirmed, the invoice will enter a pending validation state while waiting for approval from the My Invoice portal. The system checks the status every 5 minutes. If the invoice is invalid, you'll see a reason for the rejection, allowing you to resolve the issue. This process is similar when creating a bill for a vendor. If you need to cancel an invoice, you'll be required to give a reason for the cancellation. The same applies if you want to create a credit note. You'll need to provide a valid reason. There may be instances where other parties create invoices for you, which are stored in the My Invoice portal. Our system checks for such invoices every hour and pulls them into your system automatically. These invoices are considered valid, but if you spot an error, you can reject the invoice. As per government tax regulations, you have up to 72 hours to reject an invoice after it has been issued. That concludes our tutorial on the e-invoicing module in Odoo. This additional feature significantly improves how businesses handle invoices with the Malaysian Tax Authority, ensuring compliance and streamlining tax management. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.